Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue our English lesson. Animal sounds. Animal sounds. What sounds do these animals make? A cat meows. A cat meows. A dog barks. A dog barks. A cow moos. A cow moos. An elephant trumpets. An elephant trumpets. A monkey chatters. A monkey chatters. A hen clucks. A hen clucks. A goat bleats. A sheep bleats. A goat bleats. A sheep bleats. A tiger roars. A lion roars. A tiger roars. A lion roars. Let's revise. List down the animals below by writing the correct letters into the boxes. Do you still remember which animal belongs to pets, which animal belongs to farm animals, and which animal belongs to wild animals? For pets, they are rabbit and dog, A and F. For farm animals, they are goat and hen, C and E. For wild animals, they are lion and zebra, B and D. Match the animals to their correct sounds. The first sentence, a tiger roars, match with the third picture. The second sentence, a cat meows, match with the first picture. The third sentence, a cow moos, match with the second picture. Activity book. The first page. What sounds do these animals make? Fill in the blanks with the following. You can refer to your textbook and find the answer. The second page. Let's revise. Circle yes or no based on the animals shown in the center. Let's do it together. Number 1. Is this a rabbit? Yes, this is a rabbit. Number 2. Is this a giraffe? No, this is a lion. Number 3. Is this a horse? Yes, this is a horse. Number 4. Is this a tiger? Yes, this is a tiger. Number 5. Is this a goat? No, this is a cow. Number 6. Is this a tortoise? Yes, this is a tortoise. Number 7. Is this an elephant? Yes, this is an elephant. Number 8. Is this a monkey? No, this is a hippopotamus. For writing section, you have to write the sentence, I have a puppy. I have a puppy. Next, you are going to learn the additional reading. Let's read. Blow, wind, blow. Blow on the blouse. Blow, wind, blow. Blow on the blouse. Oh, the blade is sharp. Ouch! Now I bleed. Oh, the blade is sharp. Ouch! Now I bleed. Clap your hands. The clown is here. Clap your hands. The clown is here. Let's wash the glass. Let's wash it clean. Let's wash the glass. Let's wash it clean. I see a fly on a lovely flower. I see a fly on a lovely flower. Here's a plum for you. Let's play together. Here's a plum for you. Let's play together. Dad stands on a stool. The stool is strong. Dad stands on a stool. The stool is strong. Stop, Stanley, stop. The steam is hot. Stop, Stanley, stop. The steam is hot. The end. See you in the next lesson.